let's revise again related to the square root. So square root is nothing but it's inverse of square operation. Like, what is the square root of 196? So we can say that the square root of 196 is square root of 14 square. Square and square root will get cancelled and we are left with 14. It means that the square root of 196 is 14. I hope so you have totally understood this point, right? To find the square root of any number, as you all know, we have already learned one method, that was prime factorization method. Now suppose if we need to find square root of very large number. So the method of finding the square root by factorization becomes lengthy and difficult. So we are going to learn one very new method to find square root of any number very easily. And the method is called division method. Now here in this video we are going to learn one more method that's called division method. So we are going to find square root of this number using division method. So how to proceed? In this method, starting from the unit place, we will place a bar over the pair of numbers from right to left. Clear? Here we have 1369. So starting from the unit place, first pair will be 69 and moving towards from right to left, second pair will be 13. In case of if you are having 3 digits, then again we will do the same steps. For example, if you have any number 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3 will be your one pair and 1 will also have bar. Starting from the extreme left, we are going to take this pair. And we need to find the square of a number which should be closest to or equal to this pair. Like if we will take 2 square, so it is very less. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. We can't take 4 square since we want closest and less than this. So we'll take 3, we will write 3 here and here. Now 3 times 3 is 9. So after this we are going to subtract. Clear? So we need to write 3 two times at the left side and the top side. Now 13 minus 9, we are going to do same division as we used to do. So 13 minus 9 will gives you 4, right? So this side you will write 4 and we will take another pair here. So this 9 comes down and we are left with 469 as our dividend, right? This side, at the left side, we are going to double the number. So double the number means 3 times 2 is 6. Now we have to select the largest digit for the unit place of the divisor such that the new number when multiplied by the new digit at its unit place is equal to or less than dividend. Clear? So if we will take unit digit as 3, so 63 into 3 will be 189 and after checking you will find that 67 into 7 will gives you 469 only. And it is equal to also, right? One thing we need to ensure that whatever number we are going to write at the unit place must be written at the quotient place also at the top, right? Now we do subtraction as we do in proper division. So we will get 0 and we have got remainder as 0, which means that we have arrived at the square root of 1369. The quotient is your answer. So root over 1369 is equals to 37. Let's check the answer using the multiplication. 37 square, which means that 37 into 37, and just see, yes, our division method was correct. Clear? Now suppose that if we are having 3 digit instead of 4 digit, in 4 digit pairing was very easy to do, right? But in 3 digit, how we are going to make pairs? This is the question. So let us find square root of 676. As I told, we need to start from the right side to left side, or starting from the unit place, we will place a bar over the pair. So after this, when we place bar over the pair, we will get 76 and rest is 6. So we will put bar over that also, like this. And next we are done. We are going to follow the same steps. We have to take the largest number as the divisor whose square is less than or equal to the number of extreme left digit. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. We can't take 9 as 9 is greater than 6. So we are going to write 2 over here, here, and 2 times 2, that is 4 over here. Now what we are going to do? Yes, then 6 minus 4 gives you 2, and then we will copy next pair, and now our dividend is 276. Next we are going to double 2, that is 4. Now we are going to guess any number here, and the same number we are going to write in the quotient also, and that multiplication should be nearest or should be equal to the dividend. So if we will take unit digit at 2, so 42 into 2 will gives you 84. That is so less. So on estimating, we have found 6. So 46 6 times is 276. 6 we will write in quotient also and this side also. Now we will subtract and see what we got. We got remainder as 0. And our quotient is 26, which means that square root of 676 is 26 only. Using inverse operation method, we can check as 37 square is, yes, it's coming 1369 only. It means that our solution is correct. In this way, we will use this method to find square root of any given number. I hope so you have understood, and we will learn more in our next class.